Happy Father Day.
Welcome to
Science
Sunday
Day.
Science.
Sunday Science.
Sadhna, what all do we have here? What are
Glass,
these?
glass, 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 glass.
What's
Glass.
this?
Stick.
A chopstick?
Stop
Yep.
stick.
Or it can be a wooden stick. And what's in here?
My water bottle.
Water. Okay, so we're going to do different tones and noises with glass and water and that stick. Put a little bit of water in there. Some more water in there.
And fill up this water.
Probably not, little less. Maybe a little more.
Yeah. Yeah, I was taking that.
And we'll fill this up all the way.
This one.
Yeah.
Fill that only to this. I can drink this.
Yep. I'm gonna fill this up more, fill this up a little. Okay. Now Sadhna, what do you think is gonna happen when you hit them with the stick?
It will make a sound.
It's gonna make a sound. Can we hit? Do you think this is here? There's a difference between the two.
Mhm.
How
Can I
about this
try?
one and that one?
Mhm. I can't do it.
You can do it. Try these two.
What?
Is there a difference between the two? Why?
Because this
Here.
makes a sound.
It's making, but why is there a difference between the two? Here, can I show you something?
It's a pattern.
It is kind of a pattern. You know why?
Uh-huh.
Because the more water you have in here, you hear a lower tone. Did you learn that in music? Hear a lower tone?
Do-do-do-do.
Yeah. And less water you have higher tone.
This
Try
is
it.
less.
Yeah. Try it. Let's try it again. Let's show them. Here.
I
Really
can-
loose, okay? There. Try this one. Try with the smaller glass, see what happens. That's really high tone. Because that's a small glass, it makes high tones.
It's like a pattern.
It kind of is like a pattern. Isn't that cool? Do you want to make some more music? Make
Sure.
some more music.
1, 2, 3.